The first hidden wealth habit is learning how to look poor while building assets quietly. Most people in the United States destroy wealth because they try to look rich before they are rich. Quiet, wealthy people do the opposite. They buy boring clothes, drive cars for many years, avoid showing luxury online, and keep their income secret. This habit matters because attention attracts requests, jealousy, lawsuits, fake friends, family pressure, and unnecessary spending. In the US, once people think you have money, everybody starts targeting your wallet. Wealthy people hide success because invisibility protects money. The strategy starts by removing all signals that tell people you are making more money. Delete luxury social media posts. Stop discussing salary. Never tell coworkers about raises. Never announce business profits. Use old but clean items instead of buying status symbols every year. Quiet money grows faster because there is less pressure to spend. Rich people understand that every dollar used for showing off is a soldier removed from building future wealth. The hidden exploit inside this habit is social camouflage. When people think you are average, they expect less from you financially. That means fewer requests for loans, fewer family obligations, fewer scams, fewer fake investment pitches, and less lifestyle inflation. Quiet wealth allows faster compounding because nobody notices your financial growth while assets multiply in the background. The second hidden wealth habit is automatic investing before money touches your hands. Rich people automate everything because humans are emotional spenders. In the United States, employers allow direct deposit systems where income can be split automatically into multiple accounts. Quiet wealth builders exploit this system by making investments invisible to themselves. The first step is opening a brokerage account with companies like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Then they connect payroll direct deposit so part of income automatically goes into investments before spending begins. The hidden power is psychological invisibility. Humans do not miss money they never see. Quiet millionaires use automatic ETF purchases every week or every month into index funds tracking the US stock market. They avoid stock picking because consistent automated investing over decades usually beats emotional trading. The loophole is time and compound growth. Wealthy people exploit the fact that most Americans delay investing until later. Quiet investors start immediately and let decades do the heavy lifting. The strategy is boring on purpose because boring systems survive longer than emotional systems. The third hidden wealth habit is controlling taxes legally through retirement accounts. In the United States, the government rewards people who invest long-term. Quiet, wealthy people exploit tax shelters most average workers ignore. The first major account is the 401k. Employers usually offer this retirement account through payroll systems. Contributions lower taxable income immediately. If somebody earns $80,000 yearly and contributes part of it into a traditional 401k, the IRS taxes a smaller amount of income. Another hidden tool is the Roth IRA. Money goes in after taxes, but future growth can become tax-free if rules are followed. Wealthy people quietly max these accounts every year because taxes destroy compounding speed. The strategy starts by opening accounts, setting automatic contributions, and learning annual IRS contribution limits every January, because limits often change yearly. Quiet wealth builders study IRS rules carefully because the tax code rewards investors more than spenders. The loophole is understanding that wealthy people focus heavily on protecting money from taxes, while average people only focus on earning more money. The fourth hidden wealth habit is buying cash flow assets instead of liabilities. Quiet, wealthy people spend most of their attention on things that produce income monthly. Average people buy things that consume income monthly. A liability removes money from your pocket. An asset puts money into your pocket. Wealthy people secretly ask one question before buying anything. Will this make money later? If not, they delay the purchase. Quiet wealth builders buy dividend stocks, rental properties, businesses, royalties, storage units, laundromats, parking spaces, or digital assets that continue generating income without constant labor. The hidden exploit is recurring cash flow. Rich people understand that wealth becomes powerful only when income arrives even during sleep. Quiet wealth builders become obsessed with income streams instead of job titles. They slowly create systems where money keeps entering monthly without announcing success publicly.